Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather and today we got Neffos X9 smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on its design, its specification, features and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's just start it. First of all, let me tell you about the brand itself. Maybe you have never heard about Neffos earlier, but it is the smartphone brand of TP-Link company. So TP-Link is one of the most popular and the biggest brand for the networking products, especially Wi-Fi routers, etc. So you maybe already know about TP-Link. So Neffos is the brand of a smartphone by TP-Link. So here we got our retail box of Neffos X9. As you can see, this is the device that we got inside. You can get the idea that it comes with full view display. There's going to be dual rear camera setup and it comes with 18:9 aspect ratio. Here you can see the branding of TP-Link. So now you can get the idea that Neffos and TP-Link are interconnected. It's the same brand. So this is all we got here. At the bottom we got some information that it comes with 13 megapixel dual rear camera, AI capable face unlock feature, 18:9 full view display along with 5.99 inch HD plus IPS screen, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, and some more information that this is the model name. CPU used is MediaTek MT6750. There is a SIM card slot provided as well that supports up to 128 GB of micro SD card. Once again, information about the screen resolution is HD plus, that's 1440 x 720 pixel, 13 MP plus 5 MP dual rear camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera. It's a 4G device obviously, and it comes with dual nano SIM card slot. So these are the specifications we got. Inside the box you will get the case, screen protector and earphone. It's not mentioned whether you are going to get the charger and cable or not, but let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the SIM card tray ejector pin, some user manuals, quick start guide in Arabic, English. Then there is the case and the screen protector. So as mentioned, we got all this stuff here. Here is our Neffos X9. It's a big device, as you can see, with 6-inch screen. So once again, some specification that we have already seen printed on the retail box. Okay, here we go. So we got it. So here is the charger. Here is the USB cable. It's micro USB 2.0. It's not USB type C. And here is the earphone, the charger. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box. The device obviously, charger, earphone, the cable, some user manuals, case and screen protector. So here is our Neffos X9 smartphone. Let's switch it on. And while it's booting up for the very first time, let's have a look on the design of the device. So you can see that it comes with 6-inch screen. It's a huge screen. Here we got a bit of chin with Neffos branding. At the top there is camera, earpiece, and that's all we got here. And some sensors are provided, proximity sensor, etc. There is no front facing flash. The navigation keys, they are on screen navigation keys, as you can see. So this part is basically unused and just Neffos branding is there. On the right hand side we got power key, volume rockers. There is a very shiny antenna line at the top of the right side and also at the bottom. On the left hand side, once again we got the antenna lines and there is the SIM card slot. At the bottom what we got is dual speaker grills and a micro USB 2.0. I'm not sure whether both of these speakers are working or one of them is just for the design. I will check it later. At the top there is a 3.5 mm audio jack provided, and on the back there is Neffos branding, fingerprint sensor, dual tone, dual LED and the dual rear camera module. And as you can see that this antenna line goes straight from the top of the device on the back panel, and the accent coming because of this shiny antenna line on the back of the Neffos X9 is really nice and it's looking so beautiful. So now I'm going to just skip lots of these initial steps to reach the home screen of the device. and here we go. So this is the home screen of our Neffos X9. You can see that there was a notification that right now I'm using the app drawer and I can change the navigation keys, and also whether I would like to remove the app drawer. So we will have a look on all of these features later, but first of all let's have a look on the device. So this is the front of our Neffos X9. The display is looking quite good. It's a huge 6-inch screen with HD plus resolution, so the PPI you are going to get is just 269, but the display quality is still looking quite good and sharp. There is no pixelation and the viewing angles are nice as well. So the display quality is looking really good. Let's have a look how bright is the screen. So it's bright enough, as you can see here. So this is the highest brightness in indoors light. We will check it how good it's going to perform when we are in outdoors. The touch screen sensitivity is pretty good as well. As you can see, it's really nice and smooth, and officially there is no information provided by Neffos that whether there is any kind of protection on the screen. So there's no official information whether a Gorilla Glass or something similar is used on the screen, so it's better to use the screen protector that comes in the retail box and use a case to protect your device from any kind of damage, especially the screen. And the device is really lightweight. Officially it weighs just 168 grams, so considering the fact that it comes with a huge 6-inch screen, it's a pretty big device. As you can see, we got some chin, some top parts as well, so it's pretty huge considering the 6-inch screen and then additional parts. The device is still very lightweight. It comes with 3060 mAh battery, so the battery is not so huge considering the fact that we got a huge 6-inch screen. But we will have a look on the battery performance of this device in our later video as well. We will see how good it's going to perform when we are going to play some high-end games, doing lots of other activities. What we got on the home screen is clock weather, photos application. It seems that there is no particular gallery provided by Neffos, and yeah, so this photos application is basically Google Photos, so we will have to use all of these Google set of applications to perform most of the tasks, I believe. But let's check what applications we got. So here is calendar, Play Store. If you go to the app drawer, you can see all of these applications we got, and as I guess there is no gallery application, as you can see, so you will have to use the Google Photos for gallery. For music, play music, there is no music application, so either you are going to use all of this Google application or you will have to install some third-party application to perform few tasks. And there is theme, sound recorder, Tether, Smat, WLAN, Casa, there is file manager, Clean Master, and that's all we got. And if we go to the settings, here you will find lots of information. The icon set is looking here much better compared to what we are seeing on the home screen. If you go to the About Phone section, here you will find more information that it comes with Neffos UI 8.0. It runs on Android 8.1 here as well. If you go to the software information, you will find this info that it runs on Android 8.1. The security patch level is of May 5th. The RAM is 3 GB. It's an octa-core processor that we got on our X9. Phone storage is 32 GB, out of which 25.72 GB is available to the user, and the resolution is 720p HD+. So this is the stuff about our X9. You can see lots of options and features are there. We will have a look on all of them in our detailed review videos of X9. Just a quick glance right now. And now let's have a look on the camera. So as you can see, it comes with lots of features and options here. So what we got is flash, SDR, aspect ratio, there is beauty mode, there is portrait mode provided here as well. This is where the secondary camera, 5 megapixel secondary camera on the back works. There is front cam option. Then what we got is the pro mode. It's looking quite good with lots of options, and there is video mode. Obviously slow motion video recording is provided as well, time lapse, panorama, monochrome, I think it's just a filter. There's food mode as well. Streamer is something that let you capture nice images of traffic flow and do some light painting, as we have seen in the Huawei smartphones as well. There we get few more options like Star Trek or Milky Running Water, something like that. Here we got two options, traffic flow and light painting. So I will have a look on all of these options and features available in the camera of X9 in our detailed camera review of Neffos X9. But now let's take a picture and let's see how good the camera is going to perform in the auto mode. So here is this tiny toy and I'm gonna take a picture. Let's try the portrait mode as well. So these are the images that we have just captured and it's looking quite good. Not so great, but still pretty good with lots of details. See that when I am zooming in, the image quality is reducing a bit, especially on this corner where the light wasn't sufficient on the object. Let's have a look on the portrait mode. So this one is looking really nice. You can see the edges, they are very well defined. The background is blurred perfectly, especially the edges, they are really very well defined. You can see that my hand is perfectly in the focus and the background is totally blurred. So this one is really good. So this is just a quick demo. As I said, we will have a detailed look on the features and camera performance of Neffos X9 in our another video, but at the first glance it's looking pretty good, especially the portrait mode is working really fine. So the first impression of Neffos X9 is quite good considering its market segment and the price. The design of the device is really nice. It comes with 6-inch HD plus screen. It's a huge screen. The brightness is good as well. Only drawback is we got a big chin here and also lots of empty space at the top. It comes with 13 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera setup, dual LED, a fingerprint sensor. The design of the device is really nice. It's so lightweight and the antenna lines provided are shiny and enhances the beauty of the device. Curved edges at the top and the bottom, they look really premium and very beautiful. It comes with 3GB RAM MediaTek 6750 processor, Adreno 8.1 OS. We will have a look on the performance of this device in our later videos where we will do some benchmarking test and also a detailed gaming review to see how good all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in the performance of the device. Talking about the camera, it comes with lots of features and the camera performance is looking promising as well, especially the portrait mode is really good. We will have a look on all of these Neffos X9 camera features and performance in our detailed camera review of the device. But at the very first glance, it's looking quite good for sure. So the first impression of Neffos X9 is really good. Most of the things about the device is impressive and we will upload many videos of Neffos X9 pretty soon on our channel. So do not forget to subscribe it for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.